Hello there, grade 4 students. Welcome to NVIS Virtual Learning. I'm Mr. Bernard, your math teacher for today. Before we start, see to it that you have the following materials. Number 1, your textbook. Number 2, your pen. And number 3, a sheet of paper for your calculations. Today, you're gonna learn Lesson 13-4, Equivalence with metric units of length. Open your book on page 697. The objective: recognize the relative size of metric units of length and convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit. Let us have a review. How many ounces are in 8 pounds? A. 8 ounces. B. 16 ounces. C. 128 ounces. Or D. 800 ounces. Take note, there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So we will just multiply 8 and 16. So what is your answer? Very good. We have letter C, 128 ounces. Another, complete the table. Feet to inches. In 1 foot, there are 12 inches. So it means that we will just multiply by 12. So 2 times 12 equals? Great, 24. How about in 3 feet? How many inches? We have 36. How about 3 and 1/2 feet? How many inches? What is your answer? Great, it's 42. And don't forget to watch the other video for additional review. See the link written in your weekly plan. Let's start with Solvent Shear. Find the length of the marker shown in both centimeters and millimeters. Describe the relationship between the two units. Answer: the marker is 12 centimeters or 120 millimeters long. Therefore, we just multiply 12 and 10, which is equal to 120. So the relationship is 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Look back. The length of Toby's giant pencil is 25 centimeters. How could you find the length of his pencil in millimeters? Answer: we just multiply 25 by 10. Now, watch and learn Visual Learning Animation class.
How can you convert from one metric unit of length to another?
Let's find out.
For the standing long jump, Corey jumped 2 meters and Gary jumped 175 centimeters. Who jumped farther? Metric units of length include meters, kilometers, centimeters, and millimeters. Of these units, which is the shortest? Millimeters are the shortest unit. Kilometers are the longest. The table shows equivalent metric measures of length. What do you notice about the equivalent measures in the table? The equivalent measures all involve 10, 100, or 1000. So you can easily convert metric units using a multiple of 10. Step 1. Convert 2 meters to centimeters. Why do you need to convert 2 meters to centimeters? To compare the distances the boys jumped, the distances must be in the same unit. Which equivalent measures should you use? Use the equation 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Multiply the number of meters, 2, by 100 to find the equivalent number of centimeters. 2 times 100 equals 200 centimeters. Corey jumped 200 centimeters. How is converting meters to centimeters like converting feet to inches? To convert feet to inches, you multiply the number of feet by 12, the number of inches in 1 foot. To convert meters to centimeters, you multiply the number of meters by 100, the number of centimeters in 1 meter. Step 2. Compare the lengths jumped. 200 centimeters is greater than 175 centimeters. So, Corey jumped farther than Gary.
Now you know how to convert from one unit of metric length to another.
Convince me. Shayla says 5 kilometers are equal to 500 meters. Do you agree? Definitely no. Explain. In 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters. So 5 times 1,000 equals 5,000. Therefore, in 5 kilometers, there are 5,000 meters. Let us solve the guided practice. Number 1. In the problem on the previous page, suppose Matthew jumped 3/4 meter. Who jumped farther, Matthew or Gary? Before you answer this problem, make sure that you memorize the conversion table of metric units of length. In 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. So we have to multiply 3/4 by 100, which is equal to 300/4. Then we divide 300 by 4, which is equal to 75. So Matthew jumped 75 centimeters. 3/4 meter is equal to 75 centimeters. Now let's compare. 175 centimeters greater than 75 centimeters. So the answer is Gary. Very good. Let us continue answering guided practice. Number 2. 5 kilometers, how many meters? Again, the conversion table. In 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters. So 5 times 1,000 equals, great, 5,000. So there are 5,000 meters in 5 kilometers. Number 3. 75 centimeters, how many millimeters? In 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeters. So 75 times 10, which is equal to, very good, 750. Therefore, there are 750 millimeters in 75 centimeters. In independent practice, you have a couple of minutes to solve the selected numbers. Pause the video, then answer it. Time's up. You may now check your answers. Number 4. 200 centimeters in 2 meters. Number 6. 80 millimeters in 8 centimeters. Number 8. There are 9,000 meters in 9 kilometers. Number 10. Complete the table. In 1 meter, there are 1,000 millimeters. In 2 meters, 2,000 millimeters. In 3 meters, there are 3,000 millimeters. In 4 meters, there are 4,000 millimeters. And in 5 meters, there are 5,000 millimeters. Same answers? Great! In this part, you have to solve it again alone and watch the next video for checking. For your extra task, check your Pearson account and answer the assigned practice. Quick check. Thank you so much, grade 4 students. Till next lesson. Bye.